Hey, you toys! Hey, toys!
And we're back! What was That's right, we're back with Transformers in Disguise. Hey kid, who is this guy? Do you remember his name?
Yeah.
What's his name? Connector something, actually it's Combiner, and it's Menasor. He's super cool. Do you remember when you got him?
Yeah.
Christmas? Got a question. What's in this box?
I know.
What do you know? What do you think it could be? What could it be? It's... Oh, it's a little tiny little cart. Wait, let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness! It's Motormaster! It's you! Except it's super old. Wow.
Hello.
It's another 80s toy. Oh, look, we have a whole bunch of cars. Let's take a look at these guys. What are their names? Come on, I told you these. Who's this?
Dragstrip.
Dragstrip. Who's this? Blackout? No? Blackout? We should look that up. Hold on. We're looking it up.
Dead end.
Breakdown!
Breakdown!
That's Breakdown! And who's this guy?
Dead end.
Dead End? Nope, that's Dead End. Who's this guy?
Breakdown.
No, that's Wild Rider! This is Breakdown, and Wild Rider, and Dead End, and...
Streetwise.
It's not Streetwise! You're killing me! It's not... It's Dragstrip! It's obviously Dragstrip, isn't it? Okay, and what's this guy's name? Do you remember his name?
I don't have an arm.
His name is Motormaster, and what's he missing?
Arm.
An arm. Why is...
I'm looking for it.
Why is he missing an arm?
Ow. Look at me.
Where'd he go?
Look at me.
Where'd he go? Is he over here? He's over here, isn't he?
Don't look at me.
Get over here! I have something special for you.
Mother.
Oh, it's an arm!
It's there.
I've got his arm. His arm is fixed.
Yeah.
We've got super glue. We're gonna put it on for the very first time and see if it works.
What's happening?
We have a problem.
I don't know.
I'm not sure how to get it back in. There we go. Now, I have a clear path and I can do a little bit. You know what? That's still not. Are you shooting this? Can you see what I'm doing? There's little screws. And guess what I did?
Look, you fixed him.
I fixed him. Now he can become a truck. Yay! How about we transform this guy into a big guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Transformers. Well, what's in disguise?
Yeah, they really didn't like me. Wait a second, who is that? Who is this guy? Is that a Hot Wheels toy? Oh my goodness, Decepticons are being invaded by Hot Wheels. Wow, that's a Decepticon looking Hot Wheels, that's pretty awesome. Menasor's down! Menasor has been defeated. You know what I think we need to do? I think we need to see if Menasor is as cool as he says he is. Because, look, this guy's got no arms. This guy, this arm's broken, this arm's broken. Everything's broken, I don't know what to do. What should we do? No, don't hit the camera. Really, don't hit the camera. How about we take these guys and we race them?
Yep.
Let's see who's faster. Who do you think's gonna be faster? These Decepticons?
Yeah.
Or your super fast Hot Wheels car? Do you think is that Hot Wheels car? I'm gonna take that to mean Hot Wheels car. All right.
Look at my leg. I'm like a peg leg. I'm peg leg Menasor. I got one leg and one arm. I don't even know what's happening. Wow. Hey, I'm gonna get you.
And we're ready to race. What have we got here? What's this thing?
A magic truck.
That's right, it's a magic track. It's a race track, and we are going to race to the finish line. We're gonna do it one at a time. I think, who should we do first? Should we do Decepticons
Me!
versus Decepticons versus Decepticons, or should we do that guy? Okay, how about that guy just races everybody?
Yeah!
Yeah, okay, let's do, oh, we also got these guys. All right, let's go, let's do this. Which side do you want to be on?
This side.
This side, okay, then I'm gonna be on this side, and we are going to race. So we gotta start at the same time, and we gotta say on your mark, get set, go, all right? Who do you wanna be first? That guy, okay. I'm gonna be this guy first. Wait, you're cheating, you're cheating! 2, 3, go, that's not fair, you moved and my track broke.
My track is fixed.
Okay, who's next?
I am.
No, I am.
No, I am.
Okay, I am. On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Ah, my guy broke. This was a terrible idea. And there's a cat. Hi, Miller. Who's up next? Motormaster. It's Motormaster versus What? You are just. That's not fair again. You know what? Get rid of this track. Get rid of that track. No more racetracks. We're doing this the old-fashioned way on the floor. Come on. Count of 3. Wait, what? Pick a guy. You pick a guy. Which guy? How did you get your guys? This is not going well. That guy. Okay. So then we're going to say this guy versus this guy. Count of 3. 1.
No. Mine.
Okay. This guy versus this guy. 1, 2, 3. Go! I think I might have actually won that one. 1, 2, 3. Go!
I won.
Okay. Next up. 1.
1, 2,
3. Go! He won. I got Motormaster. Who you got? What's his name?
Break.
You actually remembered it. That's very good.
1, 2, 3.
Wait. I didn't go. Okay, ready, set, go! 1, 2, 3. Go! 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Go! 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's the last car. That's the last car. All right. It was fun. Oh, we've got one back.
1, 2, 3.
Go! Oh, it's a mess of humanity! Oh, it's a mess of motorsports! It's like a crash derby! We just did it. We didn't do a race. We did a rock'em sock'em crash derby! What are those called? What's this called when it's a crash derby and crashing and the...
Dirt!
Okay, remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the section below. Thank you everybody for joining us.
Alligator.
Sing your song.
See you later, alligator hand.
Alligator, no, sing your song. Sing your song.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, butterfly.
Bye-bye.